Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can use the PrivacyWall search engine, for example, to browse securely through the internet using this alternative search engine. So drop a like, guys, make sure you keep watching, and now let us get started. So in the first step, you may access PrivacyWall, for example, by entering this address here in the URL or search bar at the top on your favorite web browser. And after that, you'll be redirected to the homepage of PrivacyWall. So there are basically two different ways how you can access PrivacyWall. You either use it here through the web application or through their homepage, or alternatively, guys, if you scroll down, you will see these list of supported devices. You may install the PrivacyWall application on, like, for example, on Windows, desktop computer, on Android, on, I assume it's iOS. It's going to be released pretty soon, the application. And it can also be installed as a browser extension on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. So let me simply use it here as a through the web application. So what you want to do, guys, is start by typing in your search term. Here it says search the web. So let me type, for example, something like best CRM tools 2025, which stands for best customer relationship tools, for example, if you're a small business owner, just for demonstration purposes anyway. Press enter, and after that you will see that list of search entries below, like in any other search engine. Here at the bottom you will see, for example, the next page with the next search results, or search suggestions, or searches related to the given search term. So guys, you may simply access these search entries if you like by clicking on them. Alternatively, you may narrow down your search by clicking on tools here, and, for example, change the interface language here on PrivacyWall here from English to another language, or sort your search results or filter them by date, enable the safe search feature, for example, and even go more in depth by heading over to the advanced search and narrow down your search even more by looking, for example, for search entries under a specific word or phrase, or in a specific language, publishing date, and so on and so forth. The next thing you may do, guys, for example, is switch from normal search entries like websites, for example, to images or to videos or to maps. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use the PrivacyWall search engine. You may also install it as an extension, for example, on Google Chrome, or make it your preferred search engine here on Google Chrome. But we're going to talk about how to do that step by step in a separate tutorial video, guys. So that's basically it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.